Venom's tongue, Thanos' pizza, cake for Iron Man, and Deadpool tomato soup. Learn how to make superhero food in our new video. Where's my friend? He's always late. Oh, what happened to you, buddy? You look awful. Oh no! It looks like Venom has something different planned for the blue-eyed girl. Melt a lot of gum in a microwave. Add pink food coloring. Mix. And shape a long Venom tongue. Sharpen the end. Add a hollow in the center using a wooden stick. Oh no! This is not what you think this is! They are just taking a selfie with Venom's tongue. Come on, pretend that Venom is choking you with his tongue. Show more fear in your eyes. Great! And now we can eat all this gum. The pics turned out awesome! This is a new Thanos movie. The producers obviously didn't spend a lot of money on special effects. The viewers aren't happy. And here's my pizza, a special recipe. It's called Cheese Gauntlet. Ha ha ha! Hey, Thanos, don't be rude. Somebody, please take his gauntlet away. Iron Man finally gets down to business. Come on, show him, Stark. I'll take away your gauntlet pizza, Thanos. Go to a different movie. The viewers get hyped right away. Yay! Well done, Iron Man. Keep up the good work. Roll out pre-made yeast dough over a baking tray. Bake in an oven for 5 to 7 minutes at 355 degrees. Put on a printed template of the Infinity Gauntlet and cut out a crust. Coat the crust with white sauce. Put on mushrooms and sliced chicken breast. Sprinkle with cheese. Bake for 10 minutes at 355 degrees. Coat cheese slices with food coloring diluted in water. Dampen the colored cheese with a paper towel. Cut ovals from the colored cheese and place them on to be the Infinity Gems. Put the ready pizza into a box with a printed picture of the Infinity Gauntlet. Now Iron Man can eat Thanos' pizza! Infinity Gems have never been this tasty before! Amazing! See you in the sequel, guys! The party is going great! What is that? My boyfriend is flirting with some background character? No way! That's unacceptable! Maybe this Hulk punch can give me some power! Take 6 limes. Squeeze juice out of 3. Slice the remaining 3 limes. Add lime juice and green food coloring to 17 ounces of condensed milk. Then pour in about a gallon of sparkling water. Put ice into a large bowl. Put in lime slices and fresh mint. And pour in the green drink. Attach a printed Hulk fist to the bowl. I'll chug the green punch. Oh, I can already feel the Hulk's power in me. Watch out, buddy. You'll pay for this. Andy goes to the movie concession stand to get some candy. Do you have something cooler than Chupa Chups? I want those. Super Chups. Show me what candy heroes you have. Cut masks and capes of different superheroes out of foam paper. Attach them to printed logos. Fasten the masks and the capes to Chupa Chups lollipops. These are superhero Chupa Chups, a limited collection. All the superheroes are one of a kind. I choose these. Thanks! Honey, I bought a special Chupa Chups for you. Unfortunately, not everyone in the movie is as good as our candy. This guy at the back is obviously picking a fight. But I have a Captain America Chupa Chups. I get a superpower through the candy. Oh no! I overestimated! One candy isn't enough in this situation. Andy wants to impress Meg. I'm Spider-Man himself. I've saved the world plenty of times, and I'm not afraid of anything. Sure. Here's your order, sir. SpiderMan Jelly. Add boiling water to cherry jello powder. Stir it well. Pour into a bowl and refrigerate it. Cover a printed picture of a spider with parchment paper and trace the silhouette of the spider with melted dark chocolate. Place the spider onto the hardened jelly. What's that in my dessert? A spider? Oh goodness! I hate spiders! Andy, what's wrong with you? And you call yourself Spider-Man? It's just chocolate. You were scared of a dessert. Deadpool is in the kitchen. Today, he'll be making his iconic soup. Guys, this tomato's days are up. Eesh! Look at all this blood. Nah, it's just tomato juice. There's always room for an egg. Now let's grind it up. Another secret ingredient, and my soup is done. Whoops! This looks like garbage. Thank goodness food delivery exists. I need the most delicious tomato cream soup for Deadpool. Fry finely chopped onions and carrots in oil in a pot. Add tomatoes, tomato paste, salt, pepper, and ground paprika to taste. Pour in cream and stir. Process it with a blender. Roll out pre-made yeast dough. Cut out 2 Deadpool swords along a template. Bake them for 15 minutes at 355 degrees. Color the handle with a black food marker. Coat the dough blade with silver edible pearl dust. Decorate the soup in a bowl with cheese eyes. And here's the tomato soup you've been waiting for, just for Deadpool. Enjoy! Bon appetit! Too bad Deadpool never tips. Whoa! They even added bread katanas! Awesome! Of course, these aren't chimichangas, but it's still pretty delicious. Jane adores superheroes. She wants to be like her favorite heroine. Oh no! Bad guys are bullying my poor boyfriend again! Not today! Wonder Woman will show them all her strength. Watch out, guys! Whoa, girl, calm down! We got it! We're leaving! Yay! You defeated them, Wonder June! Thanks! I have the perfect delicious gift for you! Roll out pre-made gingerbread dough. Cut out Wonder Woman's corset along a template. Also cut out stars, a heart, and a circle. Bake the cookies for 30 minutes at 355 degrees. Melt white chocolate glaze with different food coloring. Put the colored glaze into Ziploc bags. And decorate the cookies. Copy superhero logos. Wonder Woman, Black Widow, and Captain Marvel. Superhero cookies for my Wonder June. Enjoy the nutrients. Thanks, Andy. This is delicious. And now I'll go save the rest of the world. It's Andy's birthday. Congrats, buddy. Everyone brought him presents, but Megan knows her friend better than anyone else. He loves Iron Man. That's why his birthday cake looks like his favorite superhero. Whip some cream with a mixer. Divide it into 2 parts. Add red and yellow food coloring. Place the icing into pastry bags. Put together ready cupcakes in the shape of Iron Man's helmet. Apply red icing and spread it all over the cupcakes. Add helmet details with yellow icing. Make eyes with white icing. Whoa! Meg, thanks! Iron Man is my idol! So get closer to him, Andy! Dive into the cake! Wow! This cake turned Andy into Iron Man! Awesome! Everyone needs to try it right now! The only downside is that it's not very comfortable for Iron Man to eat this cake. Girls! I have the best superhero candy! Wow! Cover printed superhero logos with parchment paper. Use a thin brush to apply colored glaze over the pictures. First cover the small details, and then the base. Melt white chocolate and pour it into square candy molds. Carefully put the hardened logos on top. Wait for the candles to harden and put them into a decorated superhero box. Hang on! You can't eat superhero candy just like that! You have to earn them! First off, we'll play superhero dominoes! Whoever wins will get superpowers! Super candies! Everyone is having fun playing, but the blue-eyed girl is winning this game! She gets a Captain America candy! It's worth the fight! Let's keep on playing! Did you like our superhero food? Then comment below what you'd like to taste. Hulk Punch, a Thanos pizza, or a Venom tongue? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new superhero recipes from Troom.